A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Renewed Syrian Civil War, Lessons the World Must Learn. Ladies and gentlemen, the Syrian Civil War, now spanning over a decade, stands as a profound reminder of the devastating consequences of unresolved conflict, fractured governance, and global inaction. What began as a peaceful protest during the Arab Spring of 2011 quickly devolved into a multifaceted war involving sectarian divisions, competing rebel groups, and global powers vying for influence. The Assad regime's iron-fisted response, compounded by foreign interventions, turned Syria into a proxy battlefield. From 2012 onwards, countries such as the US, Russia, Iran, and Turkey pursued divergent goals, escalating the conflict. By 2015, the involvement of ISIS and other extremist groups added new dimensions to the crisis, while ISIS territorial defeat in 2019 was celebrated. Its resurgence in pockets of Syria continues and serves as a warning of unresolved ideological and governance issues. Iran's support for the regime through funding and militias like Hezbollah has also entrenched its influence in the region very significantly. Economic sanctions intended to pressure the regime primarily harmed ordinary Syrians, with 90% of the population now living below the poverty line. With over 500,000 lives already lost, 14 million displaced, and an economy reduced by over 60%, Syria's tragedy reflects profound geopolitical and humanitarian failures. Aid, while significant, was insufficient and often misdirected. Between 2011 and 2023, over $40 billion in humanitarian assistance was pledged, but logistical challenges and corruption hindered effective distribution. Meanwhile, early diplomatic efforts to foster a political resolution were sidelined by militaristic strategies. Today, the resurgence of violence stems from unresolved grievances, external meddling, and the absence of a sustainable peace framework. The renewed fighting risks sparking fresh migration waves, adding to the 6.8 million Syrian refugees worldwide. Neighboring countries like Turkey, Jordan, and Lebanon, already overwhelmed, face mounting socio-economic pressures. The European Union, already host to about 1 million Syrian migrants, is grappling with internal unity on migration policies and risks political and social instability if new refugee flows emerge. As this prolonged crisis deepens, it presents critical lessons for the world to reflect upon, lessons rooted in history, human suffering, and the systemic failures of international institutions to respond timely and effectively. Let us look at the Syria's fragmented geography as of now, which is a catalyst for instability. Syria today is a patchwork of fragmented territories. While the central regime holds sway over significant urban centers and about 70% of the land, vast regions remain beyond its grasp. The northeast is governed by autonomous groups, often supported externally, while the northwest is controlled by a mosaic of opposition factions. Border regions experience frequent hostilities, and much of the country has become a conduit for arms trafficking and proxy conflicts. This fractured geography exemplifies how the absence of governance and state control creates a vacuum for instability, fueling smuggling, extremist recruitment, and violence. Without a unified authority committed to reconciliation and rebuilding, Syria's sovereignty and stability remain elusive, leaving its population in perpetual distress. What has been the regime's accountability? It's a question for the world. The sustained inability of any regime to address its people's grievances raises a pressing question. What moral authority does such a government retain to lead? For decades, the failure to resolve domestic crises through dialogue and reform has deepened divisions and exacerbated suffering. Reconciliation, not repression, is the cornerstone of sovereignty and unity. This persistent failure compels the world to confront a broader issue. Why does such a crisis remain unresolved for over 2 decades? The Syrian conflict reveals a troubling tendency of global powers to prioritize strategic interests over genuine peace-building efforts. Let us also examine the role of regional and global actors. The involvement of foreign powers has undeniably shaped Syria's trajectory, from direct military interventions to the support of opposing factions. External influence has prolonged the conflict and compounded its complexities. The region's nations, particularly those in the Gulf Cooperation Council, possess the economic and diplomatic tools to mediate and foster post-conflict rebuilding. Yet, their engagement has often been fragmented, limiting its impact. Internationally, the failure of the United Nations and the UN Security Council to enforce resolutions or sustain peace talks has been stark. Initiatives aimed at ceasefires, humanitarian aid, and political transition have faltered, constrained by geopolitical rivalries. Reviving these mandates with renewed vigor and unity is essential to creating pathways for peace. The refugee crisis emerging from Syria's situation is a huge challenge and a global responsibility. The Syrian refugee crisis remains one of the world's most significant humanitarian challenges. Over 6.8 million Syrians live as refugees, straining resources in neighboring countries and triggering socio-political tensions in Europe. The EU, bearing a considerable financial and social cost, has faced difficult questions about integration, public sentiment, and long-term sustainability. Refugees cannot remain indefinitely displaced. Their safe return depends on a stable and functional Syria, an outcome that demands a concerted global effort to address the root causes of the conflict and rebuild the nation. This crisis also mirrors similar challenges elsewhere, highlighting the urgent need for systemic reforms in how the world addresses displacement. A call for global responsibility is essential to give. The renewed Syrian civil war is a sober reminder of the cost of global inaction and competing interests. It exposes systemic failures in governance, regional diplomacy, and international frameworks. How can the global community ensure meaningful intervention in protracted crisis? Why have institutions with mandate for peace failed to deliver lasting solutions? These are questions to be asked and to be answered. But the answer lies in embracing collective responsibility. The international community must commit to decisive actions, revitalizing peace talks, enforcing humanitarian mandates, and investing in reconstruction. Regional powers too must prioritize stability over strategic advantage, fostering dialogue and reconciliation. It is not too late for the international community to learn and take lessons. It must prioritize peace, dignity, and cooperation, ensuring that Syria's suffering does not become a template for future conflicts. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, only through collective wisdom and decisive action can the cycle of destruction be broken. The path forward requires courage, clarity, and compassion. By addressing the Syrian crisis with renewed determination, the world can transform the lessons of this war into a foundation for lasting peace and stability, not only for Syria, but beyond. Good luck, best wishes, and thank you very much. God bless.